Good morning, students. In our last class, we have learned about the introduction part of coal and petroleum. In our today's topic, we will be learning about the fossil fuels in detail. We know the fossil fuels are coal, petroleum, natural gas, etc. So, our today's topic is about coal. And in this topic, we are going to tell you about story of coal and coal products. What are the coal products from? They are coke, coal tar, coal gas. And in story of coal, we are going to tell you about how coal was formed.
Hello students, today we are going to start our new topic, that is coal and petroleum. Let us proceed. Our first topic is about coal. So let us learn about coal in detail. You may have seen coal or heard about it. It is very hard stone and is black in color. You can see in this picture. Now, coal is one of the fuels used to cook food. Earlier, it was used in railway engines to produce steam to run the engine. It is also used in thermal power plants to produce electricity. Coal is also used as a fuel in various industries. So you have seen there are several uses of coal. What is a coal? It is a combustible sedimentary organic rock which is formed from vegetation. In other words, coal is a fossil fuel created from the remains of plants that lived millions of years ago. It is considered as a non-renewable source of energy because it takes too much time to form. Would you like to listen to the story of coal? Where do we get coal from and how is it formed? Let us see. These are the various forms of coal: peat, lignite, subbituminous, bituminous and anthracite. So let us start the story of coal. Today we are going to learn about coal formation and this process is called carbonization. So let us get started. About 300 million years ago, the earth had dense forests in low-lying wetland areas. Due to natural processes like flooding, these forests got buried under the soil. As more soil deposited over them, they were compressed. The temperature also rose as they sank deeper and deeper because we know inside the temperature is very much high. So, under high pressure and high temperature, dead plants got slowly converted to coal. As coal contains mainly carbon, the slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is also called carbonization. So, once again, what do you mean by carbonization? As coal contains mainly carbon, the slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called carbonization. Since it was formed from the remains of vegetation, coal is also called a fossil fuel. When heated in air, coal burns and produces mainly carbon dioxide gas. Coal is processed in industry to get some useful products. So what are the useful products of coal? They are coke, coal tar and coal gas. Here you can see in this picture a coal mine is shown. From this coal is extracted. Now let us see some of the uses of coal. Coal is used as a solid fuel to produce electricity in thermal electric plants. Coal is used as a solid fuel to produce heat through combustion. It is used in making coke and chemicals like ethanol. These are the various types of coke. So first one is coke. let us see the characteristics and uses of coke. What is a coke? The characteristics are it is a tough, porous and black substance. It is almost pure form of carbon, and the uses of coke includes it is used in the manufacture of steel. It is used in the extraction of many metals. Next comes coal tar. You can see the picture. Characteristics and uses of coal tar. Coal tar is a black, thick liquid with unpleasant smell. It is a mixture of about 200 substances. So it is not pure. So many substances are mixed in this. Let us see the uses of coal tar. Products obtained from coal tar are used as starting materials for manufacturing various substances used in everyday life and in industries. It is used in synthetic dyes, drugs, explosives, perfumes, plastics, paints, photographic materials, roofing materials, etc. Naphthalene balls, which we keep in our clothes, etc., which also used to repel moths and other insects, are also obtained from coal tar. These days, bitumen, a petroleum product, is used in place of coal tar for metalling the roads. In earlier days, it used to be a black liquid substance and it used to take several days to get dried up. Nowadays, it is done very fast. Next comes coal gas. Coal gas is obtained during the processing of coal to get coke. Uses of coal gas. It is used as a fuel in many industries which are situated near the coal processing plants. Coal gas was used for street lighting for the first time in London in 1810 and in New York around 1820. Nowadays, it is used as a source of heat rather than light.
Coal is the most abundant fossil fuel in the whole world. Coal is often used as a fuel to cook food. Earlier, it was used in railway engines to produce steam to run the engines. It is also used in various industries. It is used in thermal power plants to produce electricity. Some 300 million years ago, the dense forests in low-lying wetland areas got buried under the soil due to natural processes like flooding. As more soil deposited over them, they were compressed. This led to the rise of temperature and pressure, because of which dead plants got slowly converted to coal. As coal contains mainly carbon, the slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called carbonization. Coal is a black color, hard, solid substance formed by the process of carbonization. Since it is formed from the remains of vegetation, coal is also called a fossil fuel. When heated in air, coal burns to give heat and produces mainly carbon dioxide gas. The end residue of coal after burning is ash. Coal is primarily made up of carbon. It also contains hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and sulfur. Coal is processed in industry to get some useful products such as coke, coal tar, and coal gas. Coke is a tough, porous, and black substance. It is an almost pure form of carbon. Coke is used in the manufacturing of steel and in the extraction of many metals. Coal tar is a black, thick liquid with an unpleasant smell. Products from coal tar are used in the manufacturing of synthetic dyes, drugs, explosives, perfumes, plastics, paints, synthetic resins, etc. Naphthalene balls used to repel moths and other insects are also obtained from coal tar. Coal tar is also used for metaling the roads. Though bitumen, which is a petroleum product, is being used nowadays for this purpose. Coal gas is obtained during the process of coal to get coke. It is used as a fuel in many industries.
Hello students, let us do recapitulation for the topic coal. Coal is generally black or brownish black in color. Depending on its carbon content, it can be of three main types. First one is anthracite, second one is bituminous coal, third one is lignite. Let us start with anthracite. It has a carbon content of around 86% or higher and is regarded as the highest grade of coal. It is mainly used for heating. Next comes bituminous coal. It has a carbon content of around 70 to 86% and is mainly used for power generation and for manufacturing other fuel called coke. Third one is lignite. It has a carbon content of around 60 to 70% and is regarded as the lowest grade of coal. It is mainly used for power generations. I hope you remember the story of formation of coal. Let me recapitulate once again. Coal was formed from the remains of plants that grew in warm, humid swamps 300 to 400 million years ago, and the process of formation of coal is trees and other plants that grow in swampy areas 300 to 400 million years ago died and their remains got buried in their swampy soil. Over time, these remains were covered with layers of sediments like mud and sand. In low oxygen conditions, the buried plant materials formed a dark brown material called peat, PEAT. Gradually, more and more sediments got deposited over peat. Peat was compressed between layers of sediments and formed lignite. Further, compression resulted in the formation of bituminous coal, and even further compression resulted in the formation of anthracite. Not only this, coal is processed further to obtain useful materials such as coke, coal tar, and coal gas. Coke. It is a hard, dry fuel produced by heating bituminous coal to a very high temperature in the absence of air. Coke has a high carbon content and is used as fuel in steel manufacture. Next comes coal tar. It is a very thick, black, opaque fluid obtained as a byproduct of the process of manufacturing coke. It is used in anti-dandruff shampoos, ointments, soap, perfumes, etc. Third comes coal gas. It is a gaseous fuel obtained as a byproduct of the process of manufacturing coke. Before the development of natural gas supplies, it was used as domestic and lighting fuel. I hope you understood about coal. So, rest of the thing about petroleum we are going to learn in our next session. Thank you.